Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we got pizza dough, sausage, vegetables, all of these right here, onions, and we got meat and cheese. Yes, right. If you ain't figured out by now, guess what we're going to be making? We're going to be making you a delicious homemade Stromboli in Dogg's kitchen video recipe. So check it out. This is what we got. We have some meatballs right here. This is going to be an easy one now. There's some meatballs right here. This is some pepperoni, some hard salami. We got some ham. We have some mild Italian sausage. And over here on the vegetable, we got three mushrooms. We have an onion, 2 different bell peppers that's going to be cut in half, and I'm going to saute those up. All right, only this and these bell peppers and the onion. We have some basil, fresh basil. We have some Parmesan and Romano cheese. We have some marinara sauce. And you're going to need a rolling pin. I'm not going to lie to you. You're going to need a rolling pin. Alright? Get your rolling pin. You're going to need some flour. Maybe not this much, but you're going to need some. You need some Italian sausage. You need some red wine vinegar. And you're going to need some granulated garlic. Alright, and this is the mozzarella. This is provolone and mozzarella. Alright, and this is the pizza dough right here. Now I do have some more pizza dough, but for this video I'm going to make this one, okay? Because I got these other ones that I don't know nothing about, because they didn't have no more of these particular ones right here, this particular one. So I did get some great value. We're going to see how those taste or whatever. I don't know how it's going to taste. I really don't know how it's going to taste. And I do have some spray butter, because I'm going to spray on top of the calzone. Alright? So, saying that to say this, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I diced up the bell peppers and the onions and the mushrooms and the Italian sausage, and I'm going to take those over there and cook those up. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Just want to take our meat, put them on there. That. I'm not going to use all this up, because I'm going to use some of this for the other stuff. This was a request from one of my subscribers, and I wanted to fulfill that. His name is John Haywood. Alright, so that's that on, well, put all them on there. And this is going to probably be mine. Want pepperoni and meatballs. If you want to throw the little meatballs on there like this, and whatever the case may be, to warm them up a little bit, put them in the middle so it's not so hot. They already pre-cooked meatballs, so you shouldn't have no worries. That's enough for you, John. Put a couple more on there. Okay. All right, there you go, my man. I'm gonna go ahead and cook this up, guys. And when it gets done, show you what we'll be doing next in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. What you want to do here? Get your dough out. Get this nice first. Don't worry, it got paper on it. You ain't gotta worry about all the extra stuff, see? You're just gonna roll it out. So before you do that, you're going to dust the table a little bit with the flour. This is actually bread flour, and I promise you, I'm gonna make you an authentic calzone. This is just something quick and easy. Quick and easy. No fuss, no fuss. Flour. This is the perfect size for like a Stromboli. See, we want this to be almost like a round shape. So just stretch it or whatever. I really don't want to put it in a ball. Hold on, I'm gonna go check on the food. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I'm just gonna take some of this cheese, sprinkle that on there. I'm gonna make the Stromboli. There's some of this ham. Got some hard salami on there. Pepperoni. Alright, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. What I'm gonna do here is take us a little, I put some more cheese on top of it, put a little of this on there. These bell peppers. Now since I goofed up, I decided not to go with the other stuff. That on there. Spread it out nice and even. Put it on top of the meat. So if you put it on that dough, it's going to open it up. Take you a few of these mushrooms. I got a little basil on there. Not a whole lot. Basil go a long way. Then I'm going to take a little of this sauce. Just a little bit, y'all. Okay? We're not making pizza. Alright. And I come with my Italian sausage. Then we cooked up. Like that. That should do it. Put a little bit more cheese on there. So it can bind together. Just like that. Some of this Parmesan, Romano. Much as you want. And all we're gonna do is roll this up. You want to just come like this action. You want to fold it like this. Then you want to take this like almost like a burrito. You want to take this and kind of like roll it. for like the edges, the ends. Take you some water. Let's go around up in here. You want this to stick. All this stuff to stick. Sticking already. Also make sure you have your oven preheated. Okay. Take my pan right here. I'm going to like slightly roll this way. Put it on that pan. Okay. See how thin it is got down there? It's nice and thick over here. Too much. Just stretch it down there if you can. Like that. Okay, guys, we're just gonna put this in the oven. Spray it down first. Don't look like the prettiest, but hell, it'll work. Alright, we'll stick this in the oven, see what we got in a minute. Okay guys, I'm done. Took me 25 minutes to cook that stromboli. And this is a delicious homemade stromboli made in Dogg's kitchen. So guys, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. And of course, you already know, hit that bell. That's right, hit that bell so I know who you are. Alright? And tune in to the next time when I'll be making another delicious recipe. So saying that to say this, I'm about to get up out of here. I would cut it, you'll see it'll be cut in the thumbnail, but it's still kind of hot. But this is it. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's it right there. Nice and thick. Alright guys, I'm up out of here. See you guys next time in Dogg's kitchen in a minute.